In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of buzz noise in FL Studio. We're cleaning up a vocal recording using Edison's Denoise tool, a quick and reliable way to reduce constant background sounds like computer fans, room hum, or light hiss while keeping your voice natural and clear. Start by opening FL Studio on your computer. Load the project you want to work on from the browser or the Recent Projects screen. If you're not sure where your project lives, the Recent Projects screen is usually the fastest way to jump back into your last session. Head to the playlist and locate your vocal clip, the audio you want to clean. When you see it, right-click directly on the clip and choose Edit Sample. This opens the file inside Edison, FL Studio's built-in audio editor, where we'll do all the noise reduction. In Edison, use your mouse to highlight a short section that contains only background noise. Look for a spot where the vocalist isn't speaking or singing, maybe a quick breath or a pause between phrases. So the selection captures the ambient buzz or hiss by itself. Aim for a clean slice of room tone. The better this selection represents the noise alone, the more accurate your results will be. Go to the top toolbar in Edison and click the Denoise tool, the one with the toothbrush icon. With your noise-only section still selected, click Acquire Noise Profile. This teaches Edison exactly what to remove and creates a fingerprint of the unwanted sound. Next, select the entire vocal clip, or just the portion you want to clean. If you only need a specific section processed, feel free to select just that area. Otherwise, selecting the whole clip applies the noise reduction across the entire performance for consistency. Click the Denoise tool again to open its settings panel. Leave all the settings at their defaults. These defaults are tuned to balance clarity and reduction, gently removing steady background noise while preserving the natural character and detail of the voice. It's a great starting point, especially if you're new to denoising. Click Accept to apply the noise reduction. Edison will process the audio and send the cleaned result back to your playlist clip. Play it back and listen for a smoother, more polished vocal with less distraction from constant background sounds. If you notice any odd artifacts, try choosing a cleaner noise-only section and repeating the process. Congratulations! You've just used Edison's Denoise tool in FL Studio to clean up a vocal the right way. Keep practicing this workflow so it becomes second nature whenever you're prepping vocals for mixing, and you'll get faster, cleaner results every time.